Ooh. What the hell?
What?
With a slit in the front and the back, and a playing card. I want you to see, I put the playing card right through the back. Yeah. All right. I can also do it at the top. See completely through. Okay. Can you pull it through back and forth? To see, I want you to feel that.
Yeah,
There?
I feel it.
Now pull it all the way out. What's your name?
Oh, hardball.
Can you cup your hands like this? I want you to see, guys, what you just saw real, or was it an illusion?
Yo, what the?
What'd you just feel?
Heavy. It's like.
Can you see what's inside? See what you just saw is impossible?
Yo. What? Yo. It's actually
Usually somehow this went through, even though there was metal in there.
That's crazy.
A solid metal block somehow went through it. Check it out, my friend.
Oh my gosh. It's magnets. It's gotta be magnets.
I wish it was that easy.
As a physics major, this does not make me happy at all.
What?
Not all the way.
Nah.
So there's actually a metal block in there.
So how did it go through?
Yo, what the? It's heavy.
Wow, that's really cool.
There's no.
I want you to feel it going through.
It's impossible.
It's magic, my friend.